Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to block websites on the Brave browser. Whether you're trying to boost productivity or keep certain sites away from your kids, I'll walk you through a few easy ways to do it. Let's get started. So here's the issue. Brave is great for privacy, but it doesn't come with a built-in website blocker like some other browsers. So if you're trying to block specific websites, you'll need to take a couple of extra steps. Now I'm opening the Brave browser. First, let's try the simple method, using an extension. I'm clicking the three lines in the top right corner, then going down to Extensions, and then Web Store. Now I'm in the Chrome Web Store. Brave supports all Chrome extensions, so it works just like Chrome. In the search bar, I'm typing Block Site. This is a popular website blocker, and it works well with Brave. I'm clicking on Block Site, Website Blocker for Chrome, then hitting Add to Brave, and confirming with Add Extension. Once it's installed, you'll see the icon in the top right corner. Let's go ahead and set it up. I'm clicking on the block site icon, then going to Settings. Now I'm typing in a website I want to block, let's say facebook.com. I hit Add, and boom, now it's blocked. Let's test it. I'm opening a new tab and typing in facebook.com, and as you can see, it gets redirected or blocked right away. Super simple. Now, if you want something stronger, you can set up a password to prevent anyone from changing the settings. Just scroll down in Block Site and enable the Password Protection feature. If you don't want to use an extension, another option is using the system-level method by editing your computer's host's file. But that's more advanced and not as user-friendly, so I recommend sticking with the extension unless you're comfortable with that. And that's it. That's how you block websites on the Brave browser using a simple free extension from the Chrome Web Store. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from our channel. And if you have any question or comment, drop in the comments section. I'll try to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.